Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing how to install Mac apps downloaded from websites. So I tried downloading the Firefox browser. I downloaded the DMG file. So let me go to downloads first. So here I can see the DMG file, right? Once you click on it, you can see this page coming up. And you can also see for a difference here that a Firefox drive is being created in your system. And now I have two files here. One is the application itself, and the other one is the applications folder. What most people do is they would click on the application and try to launch it. It works sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't. And uh, what you should do right now is drag and drop the application into the application folder. That's it. Now, if you don't do this, after you use the app, after you close the app, it look like the app has disappeared from your system. So it's always better to do this. Drag the application and drop it into the application folder so that it's properly installed in your system. Thank you.